Look at my big boy holding his head up.
He's trying to crawl. He's doing push-ups, trying to crawl. He's Mr. Fitness.
Saturday morning. We're almost 4 days old. We'll be this afternoon.
And we're crawling already.
We're doing tummy time like the doctor says. Oh, Mr. Man's not happy. Mr. Man's not happy. Alexander.
The pig snort.
Pig snort.
Eat the floor. Eat the floor.
Get your daddy. Get your daddy. Get him.
Chew the floor.
Get him.
Look at you, you're crawling. You've gone 6 inches. Keep going, bro. Look at the faces.
Are we making faces? Already turning our head. He's like, Mom, I don't want a picture. You see the baby, Riley? You see the baby? Oh.
Don't get mad.